My name is Ulrich Hoffmann and I'm representing Lufthansa Technik's UAV activities at booth A127 this week. Lufthansa Technik offers a wide range of services along the entire value chain. With Safe Drone Academy, Germany's biggest UAV training platform, we offer all kinds of operator qualifications such as pilot licenses, training for public services or special application courses. Our sophisticated and yet easy-to-use technical fleet management solution, Safe Drone Health, monitoring all flight critical components of UAVs, helps OEMs and operators alike to identify failures before they lead to an accident, thus saving time and money while continuously keeping up the airworthiness of their fleets. Last but not least, we are representing Lufthansa Aerial Services, a leading provider specialized on inspection services for large-scale infrastructure such as wind parks and power lines. If you're interested to learn more, we invite you to visit us at our booth A127 or log in to our websites academy.safe-drone.com, health.safe-drone.com or lufthansa-aerial-services.com. We're looking forward to seeing you.